Mendel's laws of inheritance. Gregor Mendel, 1822 to 1884, is appropriately called as father of genetics. Gregor Mendel conducted hybridization experiments on garden pea over a period of 7 years, between 1856 to 1863, and proposed the laws of inheritance in living organisms. The results of these experiments were published in the form of a paper entitled Experiment in Plant Hybridization in the Annual Proceedings of the Natural History Society of Brunn. Unfortunately, his remarkable piece of work remained unattended for several years until 1990. Mendel's work was rediscovered by 3 different persons from 3 different corners of Europe, while working independently on heredity in plants. These were Hugo de Vries of Holland, von Schamarck of Austria, and Karl Correns of Germany. Reasons for Mendel's success. 1. During Mendel's investigation into inheritance patterns, it was the first time that statistical analysis and mathematical logic was applied. 2. His experiments had large sampling size, which gave greater credibility to the data that he collected. 3. Mendel studied the inheritance of one trait, character, at a time. Others considered the organism as a whole. After establishing the genetic behavior of a single trait, Mendel studied 2 traits together. 4. Mendel carried out his experiment to F2 and F3 generations. 5. Mendel selected garden pea as plant material for his experiments, since it had following advantages. A. It was an annual plant, so several generations can be studied within a short period. B. It has perfect bisexual flowers, and flowers are self-pollinated, but they can also be cross-pollinated. C. There are 7 pairs of contrasting characters, traits, in garden pea. Each trait is influenced by 2 alleles of a single gene. In all these pairs, one is dominant and the other one is recessive. There is no blending or incomplete dominance. D. Factors. Genes for the 7 pair of characters are present on different homologous pairs of chromosome. Therefore, they are sorted independently.